Hello, my name is Kim Irwin, and I'm the Western Area Sales Manager for nVent Thermal LLC, and we are the manufacturers of quality RAYCHEM heating cables. I'm here in our Redwood City headquarters today to provide a brief overview of the Frostex heating cable and the Frostex Plus catalog number 5050 TruckPak. Frostex is our 3 watt per foot, dry location, residential only pipe freeze protection heating cable for use on water pipes 2 inches in diameter or smaller. To maintain our agency approvals and the 2-year warranty, it is required that Frostex is installed with the proper accessories. Frostex is available in 120 volt only, has a 50-foot maximum circuit length, and can be cut to length to adjust to any requirements on the job site. The Frostex 5050 TruckPak is meant for a contractor to keep on their truck, so they have the flexibility to determine the length of Frostex needed for the job right on the job site. The TruckPak includes 50 feet of Frostex heating cable, 2 9800 Frostex FlexFit plug kits, and 1 roll of 9610 adhesive tape. The Frostex 9800 FlexFit Power Connection Kit provides a specially designed plug and has built-in ground fault protection. It also includes the Frostex end seal. The assembly of the Frostex FlexFit plug system is fast and easy, and the only tool required is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. The 9610 application tape is a 1/2 inch wide, 66-foot long roll of fiberglass reinforced adhesive tape. The 9610 also contains 10 orange electric traced labels, which should be affixed to the outside of the pipe insulation at 10-foot intervals. All of our literature, including installation instructions and data sheets for all of our products, are available on our website. For additional technical assistance, contact your local rep or nVent Technical Support.